So I will demonstrate how to create an access modifiers code in C++. So let's start. First, I will encode my name, my Errol Amigo, and my course BSEMC 1DA, and the title is access. So let's include IOStream because it includes the input or output stream library. And for class declaration, let's encode class car is curly bracket and private, and for int speed it is the data member, and std string make this will private data member, and for public it is the constructor to initialize data members. Car int as std string m speed close and open parenthesis x make m, and void set speed int as to public member function to set speed. And to check if speed is within valid range, let's encode this if s00 is and for speed s it is the speed set speed curly bracket, and for public member function to get speed int get speed close and open parenthesis, and to return speed, and for public member function to get make std string get make close and open parenthesis curly bracket, and to return make let's code return make and curly bracket again, and int main, this will main function where the program execution begins. And my car 100 Toyota is to create an object of class car, and to access private data members using members function, let's code this std count car make my car to output car make Toyota, and for std and for std count car is speed my car get is speed std, and l it is output car speed 100. So this will output car speed 100. And my car set speed 120 std, and L to access modified speed using public member function. Let's code this updated car speed my car get its speed close and open parenthesis, and let's code return 0 at the last to return statement of the program, and curly bracket of course. And let's see if nagrun. So let's see. So the car make is Toyota and the car speed is 100, so the updated car is 120.